Good morning. This is Mr. Karampton, your principal here at Do It Middle School. I am sorry that we missed you on our success walks. I am looking forward to hearing from you. We are just ensuring that your scholar is in school, and if they are not yet in school right now, if they just haven't shown up to school yet, please bring him on back to Do It Middle School. We are looking forward to working with you and your scholar to ensure that he or she has the proper education that he or she deserves to have here with us at Spring ISD. Again, this is Mr. Karampatan, and you can always reach us at Do It Middle School. It's 281-891-7000 is our number. Again, my 281-891-7000. Again, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. If you need any assistance, we are here to help and we are at your service. Thank you. Have a great day.